Just like every other exchange has been burning huge coins of Terra Classic, from Bybit to Kucoin to Binance, Kraken right now are working and planning on burning billions of Terra Classic LUNC. Now, Kraken, for me, yes, there's a possibility they can do that, but I don't think they can burn huge just like the way Binance are burning. Because if you compare Binance burning to other crypto exchanges, imagine Kucoin. No, Kucoin are among the top 5 crypto exchange that are been supporting Terra Classic network upgrade and so many things. In fact, even the staking, but yet Kucoin are yet to burn just 200 million coins of Terra Classic. Okay, Bybit Exchange too, they've just burned almost 54 million coins. So I don't think that with this latest news about Kraken might join the top burners of Terra Classic, and the expectation over millions, almost a billion or more, will be burned by Kraken. From where? It is not going to be easy. I don't see Kraken burning. From which trading volume do they have? How much is being traded on Kraken? How much dollars of Terra Classic is being traded? That's what you check. What is the daily trading volume of Terra Classic on Kraken? And then how many holders are on Kraken? And how many coins of Terra Classic are being held there? So imagine saying Kraken might help to revive. I don't think so. The only thing that can help is the general burning. Whatever you can burn, just burn. Let's put together, let's increase the burning rate of Terra Classic. That is what can help Terra Classic at the moment. But it's still good news that Kraken are still showing great support. At least I'm still happy that I think we have exchanges that are still giving all their best, all their support towards Terra Classic exchange. Don't be surprised, maybe if they start burning, they might even become the second top burner. But I don't see that happen because it's not going to be possible for them to become. But I see they might still become the top 5 burners of Terra Classic if they really maintain it. Except that there is another way they are actually planning to achieve this huge burn of Terra Classic. But Binance, for me, they have been doing their best, and let's keep on showing great respect to Binance. Once again, please, I'm not supposed to say it on this video, but please, tomorrow we'll be doing a video where I'll be showing you one-on-one how you can make money online, how you can get money from free websites. Okay, there are some sites people can really give you money. So I will show you one-on-one how you can make good money with some sites. So some sites are ready to fund your project. Sites are ready to help you out. So please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.